Welcome to Guided Meditations with Shri Devla. This is a space for you to connect with your own self, to connect with your breath. This is a space for you to connect with the Mother Earth, the universe, and the divine energies. Release all the energy blockages that stops you from living a fulfilling and phenomenal life and receiving divine healing and powers from the source, from the universe, from your angels and guides, and so many magical beings that are here to help you. We are about to start a guided meditation. For this meditation, make sure that it is safe for you to close your eyes, as you will be closing your eyes. Make sure that you're all by yourself in a room and you're not disturbed for the next few minutes. You can put your phone on silent mode or the flight mode and just sit in a comfortable position. You can even listen to this lying down in a comfortable position. Make sure you have some water near you and you are comfortable. And once you're ready, you can begin.
Put your hands on your heart. Take a long deep breath in and let go. Breathe in from your nose, breathe out from your mouth 3 times. Breathe in from your nose. Breathe out from your mouth. And as you start breathing normally, observe every breath going deeper and deeper. Your eyes are closed. Your physical body is beginning to relax. Your mind is becoming quiet and calm. Allow yourself to expand and connect with the energy of the universe. And connect with the energy of the Mother Earth. And today, just expand yourself beyond time and space. And allow yourself to be present to all the past lives you have ever had and the future lives you would ever have. In the universe, everything is happening now. There is no linearity. Allow yourself to receive from all those lives the wisdom, the awareness, the talents, the potencies. And today, allow yourself to be aware of Archangel Raguel. Aquamarine is the color I'm perceiving. And Archangel Raguel is known for resolving disputes. So, all your emotional and mental disputes you have right now, just surrender all of them to Archangel Raguel. Archangel Raguel is just known to magically and easily just dissipate and sway away any disruption, disturbed energy, disputes, fights. Allow all of that to release out of your body, out of your mind, out of your space, and surrender all of that to Raguel. If any one of you have any legal issue, any court issue, release all of that. Surrender it to Raguel. And let Archangel Raguel do the magic. If you have people around you fighting with you or fighting among themselves, disagreements, disputes, surrender all of that to Archangel Raguel. And now let us all just expand our awareness beyond the planet. And from this space of expansion, let's work along with the Archangel Raguel. Let's ask Archangel Raguel to contribute to the entire planet. And let's bless the earth and the beings of the earth to have more harmony. To release all the past energies of dispute, destruction, just heal the planet and the people of the planet. How wonderful would it be if people don't operate from the history and rather the future they would like to create on the planet? How wonderful would it be if we can live in harmony with each other? From prosperity and abundance of joy. And everywhere any one of us was told or we bought in this life or any other lifetime that it cannot be possible, let us release all of that to Archangel Raguel and ask for harmony. First, within ourselves, because that is where it begins. When you are at peace, you can contribute to the planet to be at peace. And then let us ask for the harmony or space around us. For people in our life, for people in our community, for people in our country, for people on our planet, and the beings around our planet. What will it take for everyone to operate from harmony, with harmony? With unconditional divine love. Thank you, Archangel Raguel. Thank you, Universe. Thank you, Mother Earth. I can still perceive a lot of vibration coming from the universe and the higher angelic realms coming on the planet feeling joy and a sense of satisfaction, a sense of relaxation. Allow yourself to receive the vibrations. Let these vibrations drench your entire body and your entire being. Let these vibrations of joy, satisfaction, and relaxation touch every cell of your body and every fiber of your being. Receive it, rejoice it, relish it, and be it. Take a long deep breath in and let go. Your attention to your physical body. You can move your hands a bit, your feet a bit, rub your palms, put them on your eyes, and slowly, whenever you feel comfortable, you can open your eyes.
Have some water. Stay relaxed. Make sure that you write your experience of the meditation. Journal your experience of the meditation. And if there is any heaviness that you're experiencing or any discomfort in the body, don't worry about it at all. It's only the energy, intense energy is releasing. It will be fine in a while. Just have some water and relax, and just share your experience with me in the comments below. I would also like to hear from you. What are the other areas of your life that I can contribute to through these meditations? This is Shri Demla, and I am very happy and humbled to be able to connect you with yourself, with your breath, with your angels. And for more meditations, just let me know in the comments, and I would love to create more videos of these wonderful meditations for you. Thank you. Have a great day ahead and stay blessed.